vehicles, the ZEEKR 7X is turning heads and sparking debates. But here's the burning question. Is it budget-friendly, or is it just another overpriced option? Can it really stand up to its claims and offer good value for your hard-earned cash? Today, we're going to answer these questions so cleverly. Stick with us, because you might be in for some surprises. Please subscribe to the channel if you like my videos. Your support matters. Let's kick things off by exploring what ZEEKR is all about. This brand, backed by Geely, aims to shake up the electric vehicle scene with bold designs and innovative tech, all while keeping prices somewhat accessible. At first glance, the starting price of around $50,000 for the ZEEKR 7X seems fair for an electric SUV loaded with features. However, here's the catch. If you start adding options, that price can quickly skyrocket to around $70,000. So, we need to ask ourselves, does it really deliver enough value? Or is it just overpriced for what you get? The ZEEKR 7X definitely scores points for its stunning looks. With sporty lines and a confident stance, it's hard not to get drawn in by its design. But here's the question. Does that good looks justify a higher price tag? While we can all agree that a nice design matters, what about the quality inside? The materials used in the interior, the spacious seating, and the user-friendly tech are impressive, but they make us wonder, are these features enough to make the price feel justified, or are we just paying more for style? Then there's the tech inside the ZEEKR 7X. This SUV boasts cutting-edge driver assistance features, a huge digital display, and top-notch connectivity options. Sounds great, right? But technology can be like a double-edged sword. If it works flawlessly, buyers feel like they hit the jackpot. But if issues arise, they might find themselves questioning if they overpay for fancy gadgets that don't deliver. It's crucial to balance that out and see if the advanced features are worth it. What about range, you ask? The ZEEKR 7X claims an impressive 400 miles on a single charge. That's a big selling point, especially when you consider the range anxiety that comes with owning an electric vehicle. If it truly delivers, that could save you money on long trips and make your driving experience smoother. However, if these numbers don't hold up in real-world situations, buyers might feel cheated. This potential gap between promise and performance could definitely sway opinions on whether it's a bargain or a bust. Now, let's talk about what people are saying. Early reviews from customers offer a somewhat mixed bag. Some folks rave about the driving experience and the overall comfort, while others have pointed out concerns about software bugs and underwhelming customer service. This leads us right back to the central question. Is a ZEEKR 7X budget-friendly or just overpriced? For some drivers who enjoy it and appreciate its features, it might feel worth every penny. But for those experiencing issues, it can feel like an overpriced gamble. Another crucial factor is how much the ZEEKR 7X will be worth down the line. Electric vehicles tend to depreciate fast, and the ZEEKR 7X may fall into that same pattern. If you're spending a chunk of change on this SUV, you're likely wondering if it will hold its value as well as other options out there. Let's face it, nobody wants to find out that a car they just bought has significantly dropped in value just a year or two later. Charging infrastructure is another concern. While ZEEKR has its own network of charging stations, will this be enough? In a market where companies like Tesla have established widespread networks, can ZEEKR keep up? Today's drivers want convenience, and if they find themselves driving around looking for a charging station, that could leave them feeling like they made a big mistake. Lastly, let's look at what else is out there. The competition is fierce, with brands like Ford and Tesla also battling for attention in the electric vehicle space. Buyers have a lot of great options. The Ford Mustang Mach-E, for instance, combines fun driving with competitive price, while the Tesla Model Y brings a well-known name and solid reliability to the table. As we stack up these vehicles, it's important to consider what you value most in a new ride. As we wrap up our exploration of the ZEEKR 7X, it's clear there's a lot to think about. It has standout design, impressive tech features, and a good driving range, but these aspects raise key questions about its pricing and overall value. For those who prioritize looks and technology, it might seem like a worthy investment, but for others, especially if reliability and resale value are top priorities, it might raise red flags about whether it's truly budget-friendly or simply overpriced. In the electric vehicle market, Perceptions vary wildly, and what feels like a great deal to one person can feel like a regrettable purchase to another. The potential for high technology, elegant design, and a robust driving experience is enticing, but if that technology fails, or if the support isn't there, it can quickly turn into buyer's remorse. The ZEEKR 7X definitely knows how to make an entrance. It's packed with features that impress at face value. Cutting-edge driver assistance, a spacious interior, and an eye-catching design. Yet, is it the right choice for you? It all comes down to personal priorities. Do you want a stylish ride that keeps you connected during your drives? Or is reliability and proven value more important to your decision-making process? With electric vehicles continuously evolving, it's essential to consider how the ZEEKR 7X fits into a rapidly changing landscape. What will the technology look like in 5 years? Will the charging infrastructure grow alongside the vehicle's sales? These uncertainties add layers to your decision and pressure consumers to research more before taking a plunge into ownership. As we wrap up today's analysis, we encourage you, the viewers, to consider various perspectives as you evaluate the ZEEKR 7X. If you're intrigued, take a test drive and experience the features for yourself. Engage with fellow car enthusiasts in the comments. We want to hear your thoughts. Do you think the ZEEKR 7X is a smart investment or a pricey gamble? Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth automotive analyses. We'd love to have you on board for our journey, exploring the exciting world of cars. Leave a like if you found this breakdown helpful, and share your comments about your favorite electric vehicles or your experiences with the ZEEKR 7X. The community is what makes our channel thrive, and your input matters. So, is the ZEEKR 7X a budget-friendly gem awaiting discovery? Or is it just another overpriced SUV dressed in electric attire? The journey to find out continues. We hope you'll join us for the next ride. Remember, the landscape of electric vehicles is always shifting. So stay tuned as we keep you updated on what's hot and what's not in the car world.